Here is how to fix slow charging on your Android phone and improve its charging speed. First, ensure that your charging cable and adapter are not damaged and they're of good quality, and ideally use the original charger that came with your phone. Damaged or low quality cables can significantly slow down charging. And then you can turn off your phone. Gently clean the charging port with toothpick or a soft brush to remove any dust or debris. And also always plug your charger into a wall outlet and close all applications running in the background that might be consuming your battery power while your phone is charging. Also check the fast charging settings. Open your settings application, scroll down and tap on battery. Here again, scroll down and you'll get this section of charging settings. Select it, and there you'll get the option of fast charging. Make sure that the toggle is turned on. Also, remove any thick phone cases that might trap heat. Overheating can automatically slow down charging on your phone. And also check for software updates. Go to settings, scroll all the way down, tap on software update, tap on download and install, and if there is any update available, go ahead and install it on your device. Last but not least, try restarting your phone. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button on your phone. Wait for your phone to reboot. Tap on restart and wait for your phone to reboot completely. And after restarting, plug in your charger and observe the charging speed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.